Presenting a pre-owned 2017 McLaren 570 GT. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 3.8-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This McLaren is a steal with less than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.